This is a fast DIY video here. So my next one is this kind of it's a military pot or canister. So right now I have my drumstick and you can use it as this. Or what I've been using is I've taken this patch, or it's actually, you can open it up and you can make this pretty easy. Here on the sides, cardboard, glue under, you staple this. You do that same on the other side. Have paper under. So let's take the lid off. Okay, so this is kind of a possession thing here. So you would have this in canisters where you would store your medals or valuables when you were in war. So I will close that up. Take this, put it on. Right now I'm gonna fill it up with medikit stuff. So this band-aids, some cleaning stuff, and more. Like some paper. What's good to have in service. A army hat, if you can fit that in. I can't. Well, that's normal. You can fit a gas mask in it. And yeah, it can be a drum. Lesson of the day. Drum. So you would have the lid here, put it on. What I did for this was I took some air rifle bullets, or the case, or the little thing that the bullets are in. Took some paper under and glued it to the paper, and the paper to the actual thing. And that's on. Easy straps, but you know, that's all the time that I got for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.